have a package from Amazon Prime here. This is a TRRS to TRRS cable. I bought this as a replacement for this one that has started going bad that I use on my Aperture A-Lav microphone. So fingers crossed this will work in its place. I want to go ahead and test this thing. Alright. Okay, the TRRS will go in here and this side will go into my camera. Let's do a quick little test run and see if this works. First, I'm going to plug the A-Lav microphone into this camcorder using the cord that came with it that's been giving me trouble. Gives me that little warning every time. So I'm now recording. I have both mics on, one hooked up to my Panasonic camcorder, the other to my other Panasonic camcorder. I'll switch back and forth between the audio and you'll hear that with this cable I'm only getting left channel only. Now I'm going to try this new TRS to TRRS cable. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Everything's better now, so this did the trick that I wanted it to. Everything's hunky-dory. Here's an Amazon package and they're already starting to put the holiday tape on it. All this box for 2 tiny tubes of thermal paste. I ordered these because it looks like I might be doing yet another RMA service on a motherboard. When I put the thing back together, I need some thermal paste between the processor and the CPU cooler. And I've been doing a lot of computer builds lately, so I figured I'd get 2 of them. We have a package from Amazon Prime. We got a Samsung 860 EVO SATA drive. This is the 2 terabyte. This thing, I don't know if it was a sales price or if it's a permanent low price, but this thing just price dropped recently to the point where I decided to grab one. I have the smaller 1 terabyte that I've been using for editing video. This will let me fit more footage on my computer between purging my SSD drive, so this is going to help me with my workflow. So I look forward to plugging this one in. This is in a soft package, so instead of cutting it open, I'm going to tear it open because I don't know if I might damage what's inside. Oh, this is a lab coat. I ordered this for my Polk speaker video because I was going to wear a lab coat like Matthew Polk used to wear on his Polk advertisements. But it didn't happen. I didn't get this in time, so I'll just save this lab coat for maybe next Halloween or something. The folks at SofaBaton provided this remote, and it's cool because it's not only infrared, it's also Bluetooth, so it'll work as a Fire TV remote, a Roku remote, etc. When I do the unboxing and review of this remote, you'll see the video right here, so you can click on that link and watch it. Alright, not really AV gear, but this is a GearLight M3 LED tactical flashlight. I believe this is a 2-pack of flashlights. I think they run off of a AA battery. So that's kind of cool. Alright, this is Wasabi power. We got some camcorder batteries here. And a charger for those camcorder batteries with a car charger, which comes in handy sometimes. So Let's get these batteries charged so I can move this camera around. This package is pretty big, Amazon Prime. This is a mat. This is a mat for when I do some soldering, so I don't burn my table. This one came from Amazon Prime. Alright, this is a soldering iron that has variable heat on it and some different tips. So that'll come in handy on an upcoming project. Okay, here we have a package from Music Boomerang. This is Paul McCartney, Tug of War. Album was originally released in 1982. This came from Music Boomerang member Love the 70s. Thank you, Love the 70s. Alright, here's a package from Swap a CD. Ellen Foley, Nightout. This disc looks to be in pretty good condition. So I'm adding some Ellen Foley to my collection. This says it was received in damaged condition by the USPS. So it's a Swap a CD package. It looks like it's in good shape to me. Let's open it up and see. Black Country Communion live over Europe. This is a 2-disc set. Disc 1 has a little smudge on it, but it looks playable. And disc 2 looks fine. So despite what the sticker from the post office says, this title looks fine. Thank you. I look forward to listening to this. This Swap a CD member wanted to emphasize that this is a non-machinable letter and should not be charged at the first class parcel rate. And they're correct. It's thin enough that it is a non-machinable letter. So it should have letter rate with a non-machinable surcharge on it. And we have some Luther Vandross, Any Love. This is for my mother. She will like this very much. Here we have a music CD from Swap a CD. In fact, it feels like more than one CD. Okay, we have Phil Collins, Hello, I Must Be Going. This trader was often request to get one free. So I went ahead and requested variations on a rhythm of Mike Oldfield. So that might be interesting. And here is The Reminder by Feist, I believe it's pronounced. Thank you very much for the special offer. This looks like it might be a CD. Cacophony Transmissions. This is a Music Boomerang trade. CD looks good. This trade came from Broken Wind 99. Thank you, Broken Wind. We got Focus 3. This doesn't have Focus's most famous songs on it, Hocus Pocus, but it has some more obscure stuff, so I look forward to listening to this. Okay, we got a Swap a CD here, and this would be Deep Purple, Nobody's Perfect. CD looks in playable condition. Thank you very much for this one.